how to uninstall programs in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to uninstall programs on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is you just need simply search for Control Panel. Open up your Control Panel. Once you open, you need to go with Programs and Features, which is right here. And this will take you to Uninstall or Change a Program section. And from here, you can select the application or the program that you would like to uninstall. So for example, if you want to uninstall the sound pad, which is right here, or voice mode application or any service that you're comfortable with, then what you can do is right click on it and then click on uninstall. Click on yes, and the service will ask you if you really want to uninstall or delete the service. Then you just need to simply click on yes and then remove the settings, and it will start the uninstallation process. And just wait for a few seconds and the service or the app will be uninstalled. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.